We are so excited because we are going to go to Arenas de San Pedro.
Nuestros alumnos de Casvi Camp han visitado las piscinas naturales de Arenas de San Pedro. Pero para llegar han tenido que atravesar el bosque por un sendero lleno de canciones y mucho, mucho inglés.
Today in the Casvi Summer Camp 2017, we're going to go to Arenas de San Pedro. To the natural swimming pool, and we're going to go through the forest, which is quite exotic. The intention is for the children to see the exotic forest and to have fun.
From the Casvi College, and we are going today to San Pedro. We are going to walk like 4 kilometers, and the kids love it because the way is very, very nice. There are very nice landscapes, and they are singing songs, and we are walking together to learn a little bit more.
That's me. Hi. We too know about nature and like learn a lot of different things.
And I love it. I go with the monitors and with my friends, and I love this trip. I love this trip. We are into the groups.
I enjoy this time a lot.
I'm really nervous to go to Arenas de San Pedro.
Tired. I want to go.
I'm a little tired.
We want to arrive to the swimming pool.
Come on, Danny.
I'm freezing. I can stand there.
It's a day out, and it's going to be very fun.
I love Casvi Camp.